Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel. So, today we'll be talking about how you can turn your blogs into voices on ElevenLabs. So, it's pretty easy. What you have to do is follow these steps. So, the first thing you have to do is you have to create an account on ElevenLabs and sign in. When you sign in, you must know about the blog that you want to get. So, what you have to do is you have to copy each section of the blog one by one, and you have to go to when you're at you'll see the interface of your home, right? So what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to voices. When you go to voices, you'll see a lot of voices that you have saved. When you save a voice, it will always be in your voice library. Now what you have to do is you have to do add a new voice and then voice library. When you go to voice library, you have to choose informative and educational because blogs are most of the times informative and educational. Depends what you're doing. Now you choose a voice that resembles and the content that you're gonna put. So click on add and then click on use. So when you click on use, you will be able to copy paste your blog one by one with features that you want to add or not, and then generate speech, and you will be good to go. So please like and subscribe and enjoy watching.